Okay, now students, let's see example number 2. Here, example 2. So example 2 says, now let's see when the variable of width is square, that's a square. Let's say there's a variable now, minus 2a minus 5 is equal to 0. So now if you get a question like this one, what are you going to do? Are you going to look at it? Now, the same procedure. I told you, the first step that you have to do, the variables must be on the left hand side. So we add 5. Why do we add? Because we need to take this on the other side. Because if I add here, it will cancel it off. So I add on the other side. And then here, what do I get now? What do I get here? It will be cancel. The new question will be x squared minus 2a space, we leave the space because we need to add something there, is equal to 5. So now, before adding anything, we need to, as we say, the second step is leading coefficient must be equal to 1 or 0. Equal to 1 or positive number. It should be the coefficient of x squared of a squared should be with the positive number here, as you can see. So we divide by 3, and because it is positive, it's all fine about it. We divide it by 3. We divide it by 3. And from there now, our new equation will be a squared minus 2 over 3a. Now space is equal to 5 over 3. Now look at it. Here we need to know what to be added here in order to get this equation as a perfect equation on this side. That will be easy for us to get the value of a. So we said b which I'm talking about is in this format here. B times half, and then we square it. I use times a half because we are in fraction. It will be easy for you to see. So our b here, our b is equal to negative 2 over 3. So if we multiply by half and then we square it, we are going to get, if we cancel 1, we cancel 1, and then we are going to get 1 over 3, 1/3. Square that, and then the answer will be 1 over 9. So here we add 1 over 9, and here we add 1 over 9. Okay? So when we put in this form now something a. Now, what is b times half? Our b, we have already said, is negative. Sorry, yeah, forget. It is negative. So it's negative. It's negative because it was negative here, so it is negative. So here it is negative 1 over 3 squared. Because we say in order to get what to be multiplied, it should be b over 2, which is b times a half. And then here we get is equal to, if we do our fraction operations there, is 9 down here, 3/15 here, plus 1. So the answer here, we are going to have a minus 3rd 2 is equal to 16 over 9. Here is where you can see we are good there. So the question has been as easy as you cannot believe it. So it is a minus 1 over 3 power. So in order to get rid of this, we say we times half. On top there is equal to 16 over 9 power half. Why do I do this half thing instead of saying square root? I do half thing because to show how it cancels off. So it becomes a minus 1 over third is equal to square root. When you put square root, don't forget plus or minus here. 16 over 9, which to be a minus 1/3 is equal to plus or minus 4 over 3. Square root of 16 is 4, square root of 9 is 3. Okay? Then here what we do, we say we add 1 over 3, we add 1 over 3 on both sides, so a is equal to 1 over 3 plus or minus 4 over 3. So now we are going to have two answers here. We say a it is 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4, which is equal to 1 over 3 over 1 over 4 over 3, sorry, I copied from here. So which it will be 5 over 3. Or we say a is equal to 1 over 3 minus 4 over 3, which gives us negative 3 over 3, which is equal to negative 1. So conclusively, we can say a is equal to 5 over 3, or a is equal to negative 1. Amen.